So this is a demo video for one of the many templates available on Cuttle. If you sign up for an annual subscription, you get 20% off the full price, which works out much cheaper per month. But by using my affiliate link, you get the extra 10% off, which works out at 30% off total. Now I want to show you a really cool, fun template for Christmas. The name's Snowflake Ornament. I made some of these last year and went down really well with my family. Just going to load the template up. Now as you see here, it looks really cool. It's very abstract, and depending on what font you use, it creates different effects. So this default font is actually a really good one to use. This Nikon or Nissan font is really cool to use. It's very festive anyway, and you see how the font blends, or the K blends together. It creates those really cool patterns. You can change that accordingly. So I'm going to put in my daughter's name. See how the L's are mirrored, but they create this really cool effect. Although, knowing her, she'll probably see that and say, "Daddy, that looks like a bottom." So I'll change the font to something else. Oh, that's pretty cool. Bit basic, very fancy. Now see how abstract that is. I'm going to go with that one. And you can change the parameters here to get different effects. So you can move in that way, or to the left, which changes the offset. And I like that because these ones look like a star it's creating here. Now change the offset of this way, and that stretches it out, makes it slightly larger, and that's bringing the star in. Now that's really cool. I'll bring it a bit further, a little bit further. Yeah, I like that. Rotation. Left and right. Again, it creates different effects. I liked it as it was. You can actually turn the mirroring off to keep it more simple. A bit easier to read, but not as interesting. So I'm going to tap on that again. And here we are, size. This is the size of the actual full diameter of the finished snowflake. So if you look at the graph paper here, the background, it will change accordingly. So I'm going to make it a bit bigger. Make it about 3 inches. Sorry, about 4 inches. Four inches in diameter. Good size for a tree. Again, you can slide these left and right to get what you want, or type it in manually. It's up to you. And you can change whether you want inches, feet. I don't think you want feet unless you're making something on a CNC machine. Millimeters, centimeters, etc. Now the outline, this just the cut line, I believe, as to how close it is to the engraved font. So let's change that. Get tighter, you get a little more detail in there. Or you can go that way, more simplistic. I'm going to go with a little bit more detail, so I'm slightly to the left. There we go. I like that. Now click on the advanced bit. This is just where you adjust the position of the hole. So the hole here for hanging the actual ornament. So you can keep it as it is, just okay where it is, or you can move it a bit further down. I prefer to move it down a bit. There we go. That's how I like it. Now what you could do is you could then edit this in Cuttle in their design suite. And you could add something else here too, if you wanted to upload another little image, little emoji, or some other festive design, or another message of some kind, and type something in there if you wanted to. Little message engraved across here to make it personalised for a gift. You could do that in the Edit in Cuttle suite. So if I wanted to add my own little image here, I could go to the File section, File tab, scroll down to Import SVG or image. So you can upload your own images that way. There we go, very simple. Give it a try.